So hey guys, what's up everyone? This is Architect Raj Patel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make material emissive in how to make material emissive in Lumion. So hey guys, what's up? In today's video, so hey guys, what's up? So hey guys, what's up? This is Architect Raj Patel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make material emissive in Lumion. So it's basically easiest, so it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna show you now. Just go into selection tool and then go into material. This is the follow my cursor. Just select the material you want to make emissive, and first I'm gonna show you. First I'll show you the material is not upper material is not emissive. This is definitely this is material is emissive. I obviously said this is in night view, so you can easily show the emissive material. Material is emissive in all condition, but it's visible in the night view. So this is not clearly see, this is not the emissive material and this is the emissive. So just what we need to do is just select the material you need to make emissive. Just here is the material palette. Just click on standard, then go to settings. Here you can see the emissive material properties is 00. Just slide over and you can see the material is gonna brighten or set according to your requirement. You can easily type the number value from here. So I just first type the 7. So its material properties is 7, and this is the other lighting and editing options. Just click on the emission and click on right. So done, and just check out on the night view. So here you can see the light is, or your material is already emissive. So this is the more bright than we want. So what you need to do is just I select the build with effect, so I can see the how much brightness I need. So just again I select this material, go into properties and go into settings and lower the brightness so you can see the brightness. So this is the trick to brighten the material. So that's it. Just select it, okay, this is the correct, and just hit the enter. So that's it. Now I can save and render the properties. So just that's it. So if you like the my videos and tutorials, just like and subscribe and click on the bell notification icon and share with your colleagues and friends. More and more share, and just share more and more with your colleagues and friends. Like, keep liking, keep subscribing. Okay, bye for now.